Okay, so here's another assignment. So the first assignment was to answer that discussion question. And then the next assignment is creating folders and saving files to the Dropbox. So what we're going to do here, this is where we're going to look at the MPTC cloud server where we can store files up there from home. So we will look how to do that. So you have the directions after participating in discussion about computer networks, viewing the networks presentation. So that's that again. And it says pay close attention to part 2. That talks about the MPTC cloud, how to access it. So with most of these, it's going to be using the instructions in the scoring guide or scoring rubric. The terms are interchangeable. They used to be scoring guides, but actually they call them scoring rubrics in Canvas system. But that's where your instructions will be. And when you get into doing your assessments, that's where all the instructions, you just go step by step through those scoring rubrics, scoring guides, and see. So you'll create a folder in the student root drive, which would be in our courses folder, the folder with your name on it. So you're going to create a folder there, and then you're going to create a Word document that says your name, what program you're in, and then you're going to do a screenshot. So we'll look at the instructions. You'll create a screenshot and put that inside that document, save it there. So we'll look to do this one. So we make sure it's clear what needs to be done. So we're going to go to my MPTC folders, choose my files, go to the student root, choose courses, go to our course. And this is a step-by-step instructions on what we need to do. So I want to click on, maybe I'll download it. See it better when it's that way. Once it's downloaded. So you'll create a document using MS Word, listing your name, address, phone number, email address, program, and major. So where is this coming from? Let me back out a second from this, and come down to here. So this is the score, what they call a scoring rubric, scoring guide. So here's your instructions, and let me zoom up on this a little. So you'll create a folder named Computer Literacy LP1 in the folder with your name on it in the Computer Lit course folder. So it tells you where so you are going to create a folder, and then you're going to name that folder. That one, no, this Computer Literacy LP1, and you'll have folders there. Once you create that folder, you're going to create a document using Word, listing your name, address, phone number, email address, and program major. So these are your instructions. And I move over here, you see what you're getting scored on it. So 2 points for that. You're going to save your document. And you're going to name it last and first. So whenever you see this, last and first, that's your last name underscore first name, LP1 contact information be the name of the file. Save that Word document after you put that information in it. You'll create a screenshot. And so if you know how to use snip or screenshot, we'll go through the process here and there. But this is what you're going to do. Read through these, get your instructions of what's required. And there, if you don't need to know how to do a screenshot, it's here. I'm going to probably walk through it just because I am recording this. So if someone else wants to come look at it, I am showing you. All right. So there's the instructions. And as you go through the course, and whenever you have an assignment like this, where it's the assignment, read through the directions here and make sure you read through the step-by-step instructions in the scoring guide, scoring rubric. To get to access the files, the Moraine Park cloud server, so the I drive and the O drive, the student home and student root drives, you're going to go to My Files. So that's up here in Student My MPTC. and you have your name. If it's not in there, you're going to put in your normal username, not without your email address, and your normal password, whatever you would use to log into my MPTC. You just have to do it a second time as you log in here, and that will come up each time. And then you'll probably see just students home and students root. I have staff, but you would just see these two. So the students home, and I don't know if they have mine set up yet, but I'm gonna click on it a second. This is no files. Somehow when they set me up in the class, they never put my folder, but your name should show up. When you hit students home, you'll see a file with your name on it. And inside of that file, you can store things that only you can see, and then you can access them from home, or you can access them from the school computers. So now that I'm here and I want to go back up, I hit this up button. So this up button here to go back to where I was. So I clicked on home first. So now what we want are the students one root. And you probably won't see all these either. I'm not sure what you're going to see on yours because I'm instructor, a little different, but you will see courses. So you're going to click on the courses folder. And then you're not going to have all these courses. You can have what I think you would have past courses. I'm not even positive that, but you will have your currently enrolled courses. So here's my computer lit, and this is the one that we're in now. So if I click on the computer lit course, you won't have multiple ones. And then we have all these names. Now you won't see everybody's name. You'll see your name. So Jacob, your folder is here. I can see your folder. And Abigail, I can see your folder here. So you'll see your folder. You'll see instructor folder, and you'll see the shared folder. So you're going to use your folder. So in this case, I'll come to my folder. So everyone with my name on it. So now I want to make a new folder in here. And what do I want to name that folder? I'll just come back and check how to upload. It does give me a name. And I'll create a folder called Computer Literacy. Copy that. No. LP1. So I'll come here, new folder, right here, create a new folder in the current folder. And LP1, and when you hit OK. So you have that folder in there. So this is what you can take your screenshot of, that you have that folder. So you have the snippet, take a screenshot, and then paste that screenshot inside the Word document. So then let me just do that. I have the snippet tool. You could come to here, and you can type in snippet, I think. Snipping tool. So and then I go to new. And what do I want to do, the full screen, or I want to do free form? But I like the rectangular snip and new. There was a new one on there too, but click that. And then what I can do is just come here. I got this crosshair. So put it up here. And I just need to get that, just get a shot of that. Back to this copy. So I want to come to Word, open up Word. New blank document, double click that. Turn these paragraph lines off. And you want your name. Phone number. What does it say? So let's look at, now I can't remember exactly what it is because I haven't had to do this all myself, but you want to look at that to see your name, address, phone number, email address, program major. Okay, I'm not going to type that all up now, but this is what you need. So just come back. If you can't remember, come back and make sure you're getting what you're supposed to put in there. And then I'm going to come to my snippet. Here. And I can edit copy. After I type in that other information, I can do edit paste. So that there, so I'd have IMD, blah blah. The rest of my information be there, and this there, and file save it. Let's save it on the desktop just for now. And there's a specific name it needs to be saved as. Last, first, LP1 contact information. Here. All right, so instead of last and first, I have Tom Ward or Ward and Tom. Save that, and then I want to put that into that folder. So I do need to do that. So I'm going to save it in there, and then I'm also going to submit it here. Here, so now I have this folder. So if I click on it to open it, now I have this open space, and I want to upload a file. So I have this where it says upload files. And then I want to choose the file I want to upload. So I'll click here, go to my computer, I put on the desktop. Here's the one, Ward Tom contact information. Open. So that's the file I want to put in there. And then I click upload over here to upload that file. So it's there. And if I go up a layer, and there's that. If I even go up one more layer, and here's my whole computer lit folder. Click that just real quick, and there it is. So that's which one you want to do. And then the last step is to submit that file. So coming back to our here and submit assignment. Choose your file the same way that you just did it. Open, and then submit assignment.